Today, we'll be looking at the most insane things that Kylie Jenner has bought with her money. When Forbes announced that Kylie Jenner was officially the youngest self-made billionaire ever, then 21, it got a lot of tongues wagging. A year later, she once again claimed the crown of the world's youngest self-made billionaire, helped along by selling a majority stake in her beauty business for $600 million in late 2019. Valuing her business at around $1.2 billion. And now, after some scandalous controversy over her crown earlier this year, the young beauty mogul has yet again renewed her reign as the highest paid celebrity of 2020. If you want to find out what Kylie Jenner spent $36.5 million on, then be sure to watch this video to the very end. Let's get started. Number 1. Private jet. When you are Kylie Jenner, you do not fly first class, you fly private. While the Keeping Up with the Kardashian star and her family always fly private, the youngest decided to get her own private jet, according to the Mirror. The luxury jet cost the makeup mogul a whopping $73 million. She named her private jet Kylie Air. According to the publication, there is enough room for 10 people on board Kylie Air, which is fitting as Jenner always travels with an entourage. The wide plush leather seats make for a comfortable travel experience, and there's even a double bed on board for when Jenner needs her beauty sleep. The jet also features other entertainment options for her guests and will likely make an appearance in the family's hit reality show. According to Page 6, Jenner purchased a Global Express jet a few months before the pandemic. People magazine reports that Jenner used the jet to fly her daughter Stormi to Walt Disney World in Orlando for an early second birthday celebration. Number 2. Bugatti Chiron. Kylie acquired this luxury vehicle after she split from Travis Scott in late 2019. The car is worth around $3 million, more than a few of her other cars combined. Kylie showed off the Bugatti in an Instagram video that she later deleted after folks accused her of flaunting her wealth. Buying a multi-million-dollar car certainly is one way to go about a breakup spending spree. The Chiron costs almost $3 million, and it's about as exotic as hypercars get. With fluid curves and angrily squinting headlights, this coupe's exterior design communicates power and performance, and its standard 1,500 horsepower engine endows it with acceleration capabilities worthy of a bullet train. The Chiron's cabin is deluxe, but storage space is minimal, and amenities such as driver assistance technology and infotainment screen are missing. While this Bugatti may not be the most accommodating choice for something as mundane as a daily commute, it excels as a head-turning lust object and all-around performance machine. Number 3. Real estate. Beyond the beauty industry though, Kylie has become a budding real estate mogul, collecting properties such as her brand new $36.5 million resort-style Holmby Hills property. Best known as the neighborhood where the Playboy Mansion sits, the high-end area has been home to past and current celebrities. Purchased in April 2020, this 15,000 square foot mansion, previously owned by Miley Cyrus, boasts 7 bedrooms, 4 guest houses, and a private guardhouse. Additionally, Kim K's baby sister bought the plot of land next to her existing Hidden Hills home, continuing her trend to buy land and build. The Lip Kit founder also purchased land next to Kris Jenner's desert vacation home in La Quinta near Palm Springs at the lavish and exclusive Madison Club. Finally, she also still owns a Beverly Hills-based investment property with Travis Scott, father of Stormi, which they purchased for just over $13 million. Not to mention other previously bought and sold properties, which Kylie once lived in and flipped, gaining millions in profits along the way. Number 4. Rolls-Royce SUV. Kylie Jenner is a stunner, but recently we came across something that's even more gorgeous than the makeup mogul. Her brand new mom car, i.e. a new custom pink Rolls-Royce SUV. After a long-year wait, Kylie finally got a sneak peek into the car of her dreams, which she generously shared with her fans too. Her Instagram stories were inundated with a unique shade of pink that dominated the interiors. A very cute addition to the personalized vehicle was the engraving that reads, "Stormi's Mom." That enhances the bright pink interior as much as the Constellation roof. The 480K vehicle comes with a pink leather interior and a pink steering wheel too. Stormy is going to love being picked up and driven around in this doll of a mom car that will charm the sweet girl with a sparkly pink ceiling. Kylie has chosen to break norms by opting for quite an ungainly tank of a car, weighing 2.7 tons and pushing 563 horsepower, 420 kilowatts from a twin-turbo petrol V12. Number 5. Her daughter's birthday. Kylie Jenner threw an extravagant party in honor of daughter Stormy Webster's second birthday and called the massive event Stormy World 2. The 22-year-old Kylie Cosmetics founder gave fans an inside look at the festivities by sharing plenty of photos and videos on her Instagram story. She previously teased the party in December 2019 when she tweeted that it was going to be insane. Jenner was also joined at the celebration by mom Kris Jenner, Travis Scott, who she welcomed Stormy with in February 2018, and her siblings Kendall Jenner, Kim Kardashian West, and Khloe Kardashian. The entrance to the party was comprised of a giant head made to look like Stormy and appeared to be inspired by Scott's 2018 Astroworld album cover. Inside was a table that had guidebooks mapping out all the attractions and where to find them. The Frozen-themed room had music from the hit Disney movie playing, a woman dressed as Elsa, an ice sculpture of Olaf, a craft station, a bounce house, and furniture made from ice. The Trolls room had rainbow decor and dancers dressed as characters from the movie. The largest room, which was dedicated to Stormy, had a giant slide, a ball pit shaped like an S, and dancers on stilts. Number 6. Rolex. Jewelry is one thing you'll hardly ever spot Jenner without. She splurges on all kinds of designer jewelry, including spending thousands of dollars on Cartier diamond rings, which are about $9,000 each. She also bought herself a $53,000 Rolex, Business Insider reported. She has easily spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on jewelry over the last few years, maybe even more. But if she's learned anything from Kim Kardashian, she probably doesn't flaunt her most expensive jewels. We probably don't know the half of what she actually owns. Number 7. Her home. The Kylie Cosmetics founder has reportedly just purchased a brand new home in Holmby Hills, California. The property cost $36.5 million, and according to People, the massive compound boasts 7 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms, and even has 20 parking spaces for Kylie's several luxurious cars. While the $36.5 million price tag might seem a lot to most of us, Kylie reportedly got a huge discount, as the property was recently on the market for $45,950,000. To the world's youngest self-made billionaire, $36.5 million probably isn't all that much cash to drop on a new home, especially one that's quite so swanky. The home she shares with daughter Stormy has 7 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, a chef's kitchen, a bar and games room, a home cinema, and an outdoor projection screen. As if that's not enough, Kylie also owns 2 guest apartments on the grounds for visiting friends and family. Kylie's insightful Instagram posts have revealed many parts of her beautiful home. Kylie showcased her incredible bar, which is located in the basement, when she launched her new makeup collection with her sister Kendall. The basement is also home to Kylie's Cinema, which has comfy reclining armchairs with blankets, where the 23-year-old and her family can sit and watch their favorite movies. The swimming pool runs down the middle of the house, with sun loungers and comfy seating on either side, making it a great spot for entertaining. That's all for today's video. If you stayed till the end, subscribe and leave a comment. Your comment will get a heart. Don't believe me? You should try it for yourself.